Hello everyone, myself Anushar from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Now I am going to present about the topic that is called economic analysis. What is economic analysis? Economic analysis is the process of driving economic principles from the relevant economic facts. Economic analysis, it focuses on the conditions in the private sector economy, jobs and incomes. Key concepts are demand for land versus supply of land, basic economic activity versus local serving economic activity, and multiplier activity. Basics of economic analysis. Economic analysis is a systematic approach to understanding and evaluating economic phenomena, decisions, and policies. It involves the use of economic principles, theories, and tools to study and make informed judgments about various aspects of the economy. Here are the basics of economic analysis. Supply and demand. At the core of economic analysis, it is the concept of supply and demand. Supply refers to the quantity of good or service that producers are willing to offer at different price levels, while demand refers to the quantity that consumers are willing to purchase at those prices. The interaction between supply and demand determines market prices and quantities. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that is foregone when our choice is made. It is a fundamental concept in economics because it helps in evaluating trade-offs and decision making. Understanding opportunity cost is crucial for efficient resource allocation. Marginal analysis. Economists often use marginal analysis to assess the incremental changes in costs and benefits associated with small changes in decision variables. For example, marginal cost is the additional cost incurred in producing one more unit of a good, and marginal benefit is the additional benefit received from consuming one more unit. Utility is a measure of the satisfaction or happiness that individuals derive from consuming goods and services. It is a central concept in consumer theory. Economists use utility to explain consumer choices and preferences. Microeconomic analysis. Microeconomics examines the behavior of individual consumers for markets. It explores issues like consumer choice, production decisions, market structures, and pricing strategies. Economic indicators often rely on various economic indicators such as GDP growth rate, unemployment rate, inflation rate, and trade balances to assess the health and performance of an economy. Economic policies informs the development and evaluation of economic policies, including tax policy, monetary policy, trade policy, and regulatory policy. Tools of economic analysis are economic data, index numbers, nominal and real numbers, economic models and data, diagrams, lines and equations, theories and evidence. Tools for economic analysis. The tools used for the analysis purpose exhibit elements and techniques of statistics and essential mathematics for economic analysis. Furthermore, the process involves various tools and it is based on many assumptions. Let's look into important tools involved in analysis. Economic variables. It is the most common tool where variables derive the outcome of the process, and there are generally four types of variables used: dependent, independent, endogenous, and exogenous variables. The value of these variables gives information. Examples include GDP, inflation, economic growth, interest rates, etc. Slopes. Slopes and graphs are other analysis tools as they portray the change in dependent variables when there is a change introduced in the independent variables. The slope depicts the change and is drafted based on shared effect of both dependent and independent variables. Linear programming. The application of linear programming can provide numerical solutions to various business problems. Linear programming or optimization problems application will help find the best solution for more feasible solutions. Methods of economic analysis. There are two reasonings. One is inductive and other is deductive. Here we can see the difference between the deductive and inductive methods of economic analysis. The types of economic analysis or economic impact analysis, which is the contribution of tourism activity to the economy of the region. One more is benefit cost analysis. It is the policy that will generate the highest net benefit to society over time. Environmental impact assessment. Here the impacts of an action on the surrounding environments that will be discussed. Fiscal impact analysis. Here the government revenues from tourism activity like taxes, direct fees, etc. These cover the added costs for infrastructure and government services. Demand analysis. It is here the number of or types of tourists change due to changes in prices, promotion, competition, quality, etc. Feasibility study. Here the project or policy should be undertaken. And financial analysis. Here we can make a profit from this activity. So these are the topics that I presented about economic analysis. At last, thank you.